Today we will discuss a sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a unit of language that expresses a complete thought, statement, question, or exclamation. It typically begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, such as a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. Characteristics of a sentence. 1. Complete thought. A sentence expresses a complete thought or idea. 2. Subject and predicate. A sentence typically has a subject, the person, place, or thing, and a predicate, the action or description. 3. Punctuation. A sentence usually ends with a punctuation mark. 4. Capitalization. The first word of a sentence is typically capitalized. Kinds of sentences. 1. Declarative sentence. States a fact or assertion. Example, the sun rises in the east. 2. Interrogative sentence. Asks a question. Example, what is your name? 3. Imperative sentence. Gives a command or instruction. Example, close the door. 4. Exclamatory sentence. Expresses strong emotions or feelings. Example, what a beautiful day. Here are 4 kinds of sentences with explanations. 1. Declarative sentence, assertive sentence. Definition. A declarative sentence states a fact or assertion. Example, the sun rises in the east. Explanation. This sentence states a fact about the sun's movement. It ends with a period and provides information. 2. Interrogative sentence, question sentence. Definition. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Example, what is your name? Explanation. This sentence asks for information about the person's name. It ends with a question mark and seeks a response. 3. Imperative sentence, command sentence. Definition. An imperative sentence gives a command, instruction, or request. Example, close the door. Explanation. This sentence gives a direct command to close the door. It ends with a period and provides instruction. 4. Exclamatory sentence, exclamation sentence. Definition. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions or feelings. Example, what a beautiful day. Explanation. This sentence expresses excitement and admiration for the day. It ends with an exclamation mark and emphasizes strong emotions. These 4 kinds of sentences are the basic types of sentences in English grammar, and they are used to convey different purposes and emotions. Subscribe to the channel for more learning videos.